Hello friends and welcome back. Now in this part I'm going to perform analysis work using Amazon Kinesis from my AWS CLI. So before jumping into our AWS CLI, we have to add permission so that we can invoke the methods of Kinesis from our AWS CLI. So here you can, there's option add permissions. I have already added these permissions into my this user PS Kinesis. If you want to add security credentials, you can do from here. And currently I'm using second one, which is active right now, and this is access advisors. So if you want to add permission, click on add permissions and search for Kinesis and add all the service related to that Kinesis one. You can also add user from here for different users like FGF, any like thing, create and attach existing policies directly and search here Kinesis. Then it will show all the permission related to that AWS Kinesis. This all permissions. See the descriptions and add into your user group. So this is how I added the permissions into my this user. So now because I have added the permission, because this AWS CLI is configured with that user account, so I have to add this permission so that I will be able to perform this AWS Kinesis stuffs. So first things and first, I'm going to create streams for AWS Kinesis. So for it, you have to write AWS Kinesis create stream is a method, and then write the stream name. In my case, I'm going to write my name Pranjal and shard count, then how much shard numbers you require. I'm going to take only one. Now hit enter and it will create a stream name your Pranjal, and write AWS Kinesis describe the stream and write the stream name Pranjal. So it will going to describe the stream which you have created right now. So for creating stream, you have to use create stream, and for describing the stream, you have to write describe stream and then stream name. Okay, so in this way, I have done two operation, creating the stream and then describing the stream. So it will give the result about the whole description about my stream which I created right now. Like the shard ID is there, hash key range is also there, starting and ending hash key, sequence number range is there, ARN, stream name, that is this is started sequence number, and this is ARN for this my stream which I created right now. This is my stream name Pranjal, status is active right now, retention hours 24 hours, and this is the timestamp of my stream. There's no encryption right now. If you want to add encryption, you have to give it at the time of which when I created the stream. Now if you want to list then how many streams which are already created on your this user, just write AWS Kinesis list the streams. Actually I've created only one streams right now, so it will going to show only one stream name, that is Pranjal. And now I'm going to do another operation. I'm going to put the record into my stream. So for this you have to write put record and the name of your stream again, that is Pranjal, and write the partition number which you have chosen. The partition key is 123, and write the data, test data. This is the name of the data. So it will create the shard ID and the sequence number. So now what you have to do, I'm going to use this shard ID and sequence number. So for this, actually I wanted to add some streaming data into it. So write AWS Kinesis get record not get shared iterator Now copy the shared ID from here and paste it over here, and write the shared iterator type, that is trim type, trim horizontal. Write the stream name, that is Pranjal. Okay, the I will be in small letter. So click on your up arrow button so that the previous command will be right there. Now instead of capital ID, you have to write small id. So replace this capital ID with small id. Okay, in this manner. Now hit the enter button and it will give the shared iterator. This is a streaming data which I have to use for my next operation. Now write AWS Kinesis. Now write get record this share iterator. You have to copy this whole thing. Okay, so select this all stuffs, Control C, Control V, and hit the enter button. It will generate the whole record of this stream. The sequence number is there, approximate arrival times there, date, partition key, and next start iterator is also given from here. So this is all the operation which I have done, from creating the stream, then describing, listing them all, and then putting the records and getting data. So